CEO of the Eurokids chain of preschools. With me is Dr. Anita Madan, who heads the curriculum development team for Eurokids as well. And we are here in Chennai today for the launch of the 8th iteration of the Eurokids preschool curriculum. The preschool curriculum for Eurokids now will be called Eureka, and it is based on the visible thinking philosophy which we've taken from the Harvard University. And this will now be rolled out starting from April next year in all our centers in Chennai and in Tamil.
So the focus of this curriculum is going to be more on thinking, where we want our children to be preparing them to answer the question and not question the answer. So we want them to actually go ahead and ask every answer that has been given to them. So we want them to not only what to think but also how to think.
What is the differentiating factor over other?
Like Dr. Anita Madan said, we want to teach our children how to think. So if children learn how to think and we give them tools on how to think, then their development, their emotional development, their intellectual development will be much faster, and parents will be very happy with the speed at which their children learn and learn new concepts and learn to think about what is happening all around. So there is a great emphasis on thinking in this version of the curriculum. Yeah. But it is also building on the strengths of the previous versions of the curriculum. Right? So with each iteration of the curriculum, our offering to students has become stronger, and with the next iteration, we are building on what we've already done to make it very, very strong in the field of thinking.
This is for kids. What is the message you want to give to parents? Because they will be deciding factor.
Yes. So for parents, Eurokids has now been in existence for the last 23 plus years, and it was founded on the belief, given the fact that 85% of the brain development happened between the ages of 2 to 6, we believe that sending your child to a preschool where they get a strong scientific education is one of the most important things for any parent to do. Because this foundational learning lays the basis for the child's success later in life. You want your child to do well in college, you want your child to be successful financially, please make sure that you give your child a high quality preschool education starting from the age of 2 till the age of 6, after which in any case they will go to a main school. So my message to parents is, please do not take preschool education lightly. It is the most important education for your child.
Presence, how many cities? How many cities are present now?
Today we are present in 400 cities across the country. We have a very strong presence in Chennai. We have a very strong presence in Coimbatore and many other cities in Tamil Nadu.
Thank you, sir.